Hello, my dear students. Good morning. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine at your home. Now, today we are study less NCRT class 4 chapter number 4, which is the story of Amrita. This is a story from long ago. Jodhpur is located in Rajasthan. Near it lies a village called Khejdi. Why is the village named Khejdi? Look at here. Over here the picture is a tree and its name Khejdi. This is the picture of a Khejdi tree. The village got its name because many khejdi trees grow there. The people of the village took great care of the plants, tree and animals. They used to say, if trees are there, then only we can survive. Animals and plants are very important for our life. That is why it is said, if trees are there, we are there. Plants and animals can survive without us, but we cannot survive without them. Now, there is a beautiful story of a woman named Amrita who was really tree lover, lived in the Khejdi village of Rajasthan. Amrita's friend. Amrita would get up early every morning and greet her friend, the tree. She would choose a special tree for the day and put her arms around the tree trunk and whispers, "Friend, you are so strong and beautiful. You care for us. I love you very much. Make me also like you." The girl is Amrita said that Amrita would get up early every day in the morning and greet his friends, the tree. She would choose a special tree for the day. She would put her arms around the tree trunk and whispered to the tree, "Friend, you are strong and beautiful. You care for us. Thank you, tree. I love you very much. Give your strength to me also." Amrita, other children also had their special tree. They would play for hours in the shade of the tree. So, look at this picture. Plant give us fruit to eat. They give us shade under which we can play or take rest. Plant keeps the air fresh by giving us oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide. Is there a place near your house, school or along the roads side where trees have been planted? Why were they planted tree? The answer is, they were planted there to give fruit, shade and keep the air fresh. Have you seen anyone taking care of trees? Who does this? In the garden, gardeners are there to take care of these trees and plants. Have you seen fruit on any of the tree? Who eat these fruits? There are mango trees, guava trees and chiku trees. The people who take care of the trees and birds can eat those fruit. Trees in a danger. The time went by. Amrita was grown up now. As the time went, as like you, Amrita also grown up now. One day she went to greet her tree. She saw some strangers are there. Amrita When Amrita is going to greet her friend, meet them, and she saw there that some strangers are there. They had eggs with them, and the strangers had eggs is also with them. They said that the king had sent them to cut the tree for wood. The wood was needed for the buildings the king's palace. Here the kings want to build a palace, so he need a wood. Amrita was shocked. She went to the tree that the men were about to cut. She put her arms around the tree and hugged it tightly. The man shouted and threatened her, but Amrita did not let go for the tree. The king's men had to follow his order. They had to cut the tree. On seeing this, Amrita's daughter and hundreds of villagers, old and young, hugged the trees to protect them. Many peoples, including Amrita and her daughters, died to save the trees. When the king heard of this, he could not believe that people gave up their life for the tree. He visited the village himself. There he saw the deep feeling of the villagers towards tree and animals. The village is protected. The villagers' strong feeling for the tree affected the king greatly. There he ordered that from then no tree would be cut and no animal would be harmed in that area. Even today, almost 300 years past, the people of this area called Bishnoi continue to protect the plants and animals, even though in the middle of the desert the area is green and animal roam it means wandered about freely and without any fear. Amrita and about 100 other villagers gave up their lives in order to save tree from being too cut down. This against done by Amritas and others to save the tree has become famous as the Chipko Andolan. Environment is harmed due to the human bad habits and it has changed a lot. This way, the existence of so many birds that were seen everywhere in the past is in a danger today, and very few of them are left. We should plant more trees and protect them